Hello everyone, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. Today we are going to do pick a card. Now this pick a card is about who will you marry, how and when is he going to propose you, and what is going to be your family's first reaction on hearing about this. Let's find out. So choose a pile, pile 1, the yellow with the blue crystal. See, you can see this heart. Beautiful heart, but a yellow heart. So with a flower embedded in it. So blue crystal on a yellow flower, on a yellow heart. A white transparent crystal on an orange heart. And then we have this turquoise on a pink heart. So this is 1, 2, 3. So pile number 1, blue crystal with the yellow heart. Pile 2. This is a white crystal with the orange heart, and then you have a pink heart with the turquoise crystal. So what you can do is, you can just whatever attracts you, you can just choose one. If not, if you are undecisive or indecisive, I can say you can just pause the video for a few seconds and just calm down, meditate, if meditate or just calm down and choose a pile. Definitely, it's gonna help you choose the better pile. More accurate pile that resonates with you. So let's find out, who are you going to marry? I'll start off with pile 1. Just give me a second. So I am shuffling this. We have tarot here, pile 1. We have tarot. And then we have these cards. Let me find out. So pile 1, who are they going to marry? How will they propose? When will they propose? So let's find out. Pile 1, all the best. I hope we get, the person would be exactly like the one you want, or you have in your life, or you are going to have it in future. You'll have a person. So let's find out. Okay, so first card, 4 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, nice, Queen of Wands, beautiful, 7 of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups. What more, pile 1? And then I'm going to pick up 2 cards from the angel guidance, and it will give us information regarding your person. So let's find out. Choices, and cheer up. So this is your cards, pile 1. See, for the person, pile 1, you have the Queen of Wands, the Queen of Cups. So beautiful, beautiful energy. So I feel here you are going to marry someone who is very, very emotional. It's because this is Queen of Cups energy, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. That could be their zodiac sign. And very romantic, very attractive. They are very, attractive and intelligent person. And a very emotional, balanced, but very balanced person. This is just, it's not about queen, because this is not gender specific. It could be a male and a female with the characteristics of the Queen of Cups energy here. So it is like what I feel, this person is really going to love you, and they are going to be, I'll just elaborate about the looks. They are going to be the tall, maybe they are on the slightly earthy tone or a fairer tone, but sharp features, and very, very attractive, sensual too. Also with this, they could be very fiery and passionate. Some of you could have, lot of sexual energy. That is what I feel. And they are always in that action mode. Whatever they want to do, there's a lot of action. And your person could be like and they will always get new ideas, to make money, how to grow their money. They're ambitious people. I feel very ambitious, industrialist. I mean, they could, from the profession, what I feel is that they could be, see, doctors, then they could be physicians, they could be nurses, and they could be bankers, they could be teachers, they could be they're working for human relations, human resources. And let me find, see, okay, they are into real estate development, buying, selling of houses, that kind of profession. Could be builders, could be politician. I mean, you have cups, wands, pentacles. So there is a vast possibility of profession they are in. They could be, soldier, army colonels. That is what I feel. But basically, I feel they are, and the service class. They could be counselors, yeah, some of you could also marry somebody from the scholar group, like scientists. They are into more of study material. They could be scientists, they could be research scholars, and they could be still studying. They would not be in that full-fledged profession by now. So this is what I get here, and let me just have a look and get you more details here. So the person you are going to marry, I just told you, loving person, good looking person, sexy guys or a sexy woman or a girl you are going to marry, and will have a lot of charm, will be in action mode, will be, they will be very good with communication. Like, they will not be that introvert kind, no. They will be very, very communicative. They will pour out all their feelings from you, for you. Only one card that I do get here is that, they might be a little more concerned about their money situation. This is what I feel here. That's the only card which I have here, that maybe, sometimes they may get stuck into some money situation. If it is very good, doesn't matter. If there becomes an issue in life, they might just stick to that. Now, there is one more card. It's like, here what I feel is that sometimes they might when they're working hard towards certain things, they might feel frustrated or a little bit of low energy. The vibe, it's not a big deal. It's in a confused state, don't know what to do, or it takes a little time to move ahead when they are going through some other difficulties in life. But as I feel, your person is very charming, handsome, good looking, as everybody would want to. And what I feel is that how is he going to propose is like, let me see. Okay, you could be near a water body. I feel here with this card, this is what I got. A water body will be there nearby somewhere, and you will be, maybe it's a beach side or a river side or a lake side, or even it could be a restaurant which has a swimming pool. That is what I feel here. So by a pool side, maybe they are going to propose you, and you will cheer up at that time. You will really feel so, emotionally blessed, and you are going to really feel very, very good about yourself. So you will live that moment. It is going to be your life-changing moment at that time. You are going to feel so emotionally balanced. This is what I feel here. So definitely there is some water bodies there. Also, I feel there, for some of you, it might be a park. It might be a park where there's a lot of flowers, or maybe there's a lot of colors, maybe a painting. I feel it could be a restaurant, it could be a hall wherein you're just walking in, and things, you just talk about it, and this person has come planned. This person comes planned for proposing to you. This is what I feel, and there are a lot of colors around. That's what I feel. It could be garden, it could be a hall of paintings. Let me just also see. You could have gone on a holiday somewhere where he could propose you. There is waterfall here too. There is waterfall, so it could be a water body, waterfall, flowers, and they openly they are talking their heart out. They pull out a ring and ask you for marriage. This is what I feel. Either an ocean place, or sea. Also, I feel with this I feel they could be, you know, somebody working, you know, I mean ocean resources. They work for oceans or ocean resources, sea, like, you know, NGO saving turtle, or you know they are you know, life saving people that you used to have seen in Baywatch. So you know, they might be of that profession, but definitely I see a water body and lot of for some of you here, and they are just you know, with money, because they are going to pour their heart out emotionally. They are going to say few lines about you, about your beauty, about your attraction. They're going to say a few you know, poem, or you know, something very beautiful, and they are going to communicate you with the Queen of Wands also. I feel, you know, they might propose you in a very sexy way, which you will really like it. So this is what I get. Now let me just pull out, what are your parents going to feel? How is your parents going to react to this news, this news of breaking out? So proposal wise, and I feel yes, they are going to come with a ring which you are really going to love it, with flowers. They are going to come. It might see, being a general reading, it will not resonate for all of you, but definitely for most of you here. And you are going to love every bit of it. And it this proposal is during the, I feel it's during the daytime, or just evening, just before. It's not, I do not see at a night time here. It could be around, I'll just tell you, this is around summertime, autumn. This is what I get. The seasons is like summer, autumn. So this is what I get here. So let me just pull out what will be their parents. Pile 1, parents' reaction to this news. How will your parents react? Okay, so maybe, you know, for some of you, your parents might not like it initially. Maybe they will have a little apprehension, because they're not knowing the whole facts. They are still, they want to know things. They're not feeling that oh wow kind of news, you know, that my child has found someone. So I will just clarify this. It doesn't show that really exciting kind of news, because reaction, because somewhere down the line I feel that they want to know more, you know, maybe they had thought about someone else, you know, or some profession they didn't. So that could be a reason. And let me just clarify this. Why aren't they happy? Okay, so 8 of Cups, it doesn't show a great reaction in initial reaction. So just let me clarify this. Okay, so Hanged Man. So I feel somehow they will take some time to think about your relationship. Of course, this is like they want to also look into your perspective, your way, so initial reaction is like they aren't, you know, that they feel okay, let us think about it and then we are going to decide. So this is your parents' reaction, you know, or they will just let you, you know, move forward with this relationship, Pile 1. So I feel it's a great person, very sexy guy, very attractive person who's gonna make you happy. They will be into you, they will want you always in their life, and you will love them too with all intensity, all your feelings. One more you know, quality of your person, just let me pick out what will be his nature. Like, it's coming out as independent. So he or she is going to be very independent thinking, no boundaries, I mean set for you. Like they will not be dominating on you, they will give you space, they will need space, and it's going to be a very, see, cheer up and choices. Your choice is the best, and cheer up is, this is your angel, you know, guidance, or you can say it's so beautiful. All the best, Pile 1. I hope it makes you happy. Thank you so much for taking your time out and, you know, watching this video. And do like the video, comment if it resonates with you, and also, you know, subscribe to my channel if you do like my readings. So now I'll take up Pile 2. So Pile 2 here. Let's find out how your person is. Whom are you going to marry, pile 2? Okay, so I have shuffled these cards already, and let's find out, pile 2. Who are you going to marry? I hope some awesome stuff comes out, what you have been thinking. So here it is. Great. So see here, there is already a marriage. First card, foundation, taking the relationship to the next level. Definitely marriage here. So they are your future spouse, definitely here. Beautiful positive card here. 4 of Swords. 7 of Wands. Ace of Swords. The Tower. Sorry, there is 2 cards. The Star. So beautiful, beautiful pile 1, pile 2. Now we will take 2 cards from this deck. This will tell you where and how. So let us see. Okay, so Dragon, and this is Memories. Okay, great, pile 2. So let me start off with, definitely this relationship is going for marriage, for the next level. You are getting married, pile 2. This is what I get here. Let us see your journey and how is your person going to be. Your person is going to be the one you wished for. This is a lucky card. Whoever you're wishing for, very balanced, very spiritual, beautiful, attractive, very good looking, very calm, composed, very beautiful person is in your life. If they are in your life or they're going to come into your life, they are going to be the best what you could have, with the Star card coming here, pile 2, and with this 4 of Wands. So I feel there is nothing much to say here. How are they going to look is that, you are in a relationship, or you have that in your mind that my person should look like this. I feel they're going to be extremely handsome. For the women and girls, are very beautiful, attractive, charming. I feel very sexy too, because there you have this Wand card here. They are going to be very sensual. You will really get attracted in the first, when you meet the person for the first time, if you do not already have, but you're really attracted to. And you have, what I feel is that it's a beautiful relationship. And for some of you, it's a very new relationship. It's not a very old relationship. Long term, it has, for some of you, it's a new relationship, like for a few months or maybe a few weeks too, never know. So this is that. But with the 4 of Wands card, it is very nice here. Now I will tell you, like these people may be, the person may be into banking, teaching. They could be into army, soldier, general, and they are just let me. Okay, so they are the industrialist. They are working for some companies. They are into HR. They are into human resources. They are into public relations. And let me again see, they are into public relations. Okay, they could be advocate, they could be into publishing, they could be writers, they could be actors, they could be singers. You have an artist, maybe they are working or they have that in them. They could be singing, music, they could be into music and singing. And also I feel dancing, they could be dancers. Let me see some more. Somebody into intelligence. They could be into raw, or intelligence services, and spies. The spying, with the countries. They could be into that. And with this Ace of Swords, also I feel they could be into, they are very sharp, intelligent individuals, studious, intelligent. And I feel they are very well off with money. Maybe initial people, those who are very young, they are still trying to make a career. So they might land up in these career. They could be also stylist, hairstylist, you have that. They could be into fashion designing. They could be into interior decoration. So So all these, there are multiple possibilities, so many possibilities here for pile 2 here. Very artistic in nature, very creative. They could be painters. So this is what I feel here, and so many to add. I couldn't take so many, so this video is just gonna go into profession. So I'll take up in the next video. Now let me see how are they going to propose you. So here I feel you have this dragon card, and it shows it is near a water body. Again, here what I feel, there is a water body nearby where you are going to get proposed. Maybe it's near the sea beach, or you are near the beach, or you have a, maybe there is a swimming pool, maybe there's a riverside park, he's proposing or she's proposing you. So this is your location here, what I feel. Also island, this is what I get. You might go, some of you might go to an island and he or she might propose to you here. And there are beautiful flowers around, and it's a, even here I see, one second, here I see, it's very bright, beautiful sunny day. But it's during the daytime that they are proposing you. I mean, beautiful valley, it could be a hill station for you, and there is a water body, and there are rainbows. I don't know how much, but this is the card which is come there. The weather could be like, there could be rainbow, and they are very, because I told you they are very expressive, communicative. So they are going to, you know, maybe say a few lines beautiful. They might just tell you their feelings. They might express it in a poetic way, because highly creative person, and they might sing a song for you, they might play a song for you, and they have this beautiful ring which I can just, as a, you know, in my mind it's coming like they're taking out the ring and praising you, your beauty, your sensuality, your attractiveness, and how they would like to spend their life with you. So they are going to do that for you, and you are going to feel so elated, so happy, so, I mean, it's a lifetime thing for you. You are going to enjoy every bit here. And this is what I get from yeah, so they propose a ring, and because you have a very sexy energy, so you might seal it up with a kiss too. So I don't know, that you must tell me in your comment box that it is happening to you in future, or it has happened. So let me know. For some of you it's a very, very new relationship here, so you know, maybe it will take some time for marriage, but definitely it's going to happen. So this is it. Now let's find out your parents' reaction. You know, how they are going to react if your person proposed you. How are they going to feel? Okay, so parents not very, they will be confused a little. They will not know. Okay, suddenly you go and give this news. Okay, so if here also you have, there might be a little bit of you know, they wouldn't be that, oh yeah, this has happened, and this is a great guy and all of the great girl. They might have their inner conflicts inside the mind, and they will be confused a little. But if you know, tell them about your person, about their qualities that they have, definitely this is a balancing. So they will come out with a yes, this is I feel. But initially, if you think that they are going to, you know, just love it, and you're like, okay, yeah, that's great, you know, I don't think so. This is gonna happen with the cards showing me this. So this is pile 2. I hope you like the readings. I'll come up with a, you know, much elaborate video on how are they going to propose you alone for that topic, you know, and you can see it in detail. So thank you for taking your time out and watching this video, pile 2. Do subscribe to my channel if you do like my readings, and much love and a lot of thanks to all viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much once again. Now taking up pile 3 here. Just give me a second, pile 3. So pile 3, let us, so this is your, whom are you going to marry, how will they propose to you, and you know what, you know, your parents' reaction, first reaction on hearing about this news. So let us find out with your cards here. First is seven of rods. Okay, 5 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles. Okay, so 5 of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, and we'll pick 2 cards from here. This will tell us about the location, about how they are going to propose to you. So Serpentity, okay, and then you have Self-Reliance. It shows where and how. So pile 2, what I feel, pile 3, what I feel here is that your person will be coming, suddenly they will come into your life. Knight of Wands, very passionate, very fiery, very ambitious, they are very ambitious people, and they are somebody who wants to do great thing in life. So if you are their choice, definitely you are a great person. I understand they will not go for anything much less than them. So it shows that you are a great choice for them too. So they will suddenly rush into your life, or you have such a person in your life. They have suddenly rushed into your life with lot of fiery energy, with lot of passion. They will just rush into your life, and this is what I get. Now this person could be an let me just tell you, maybe you met this person somewhere, in it could be in your office space, it could be in your workplace, it could be in your yeah, this is what I feel. While working, you were or you were studying somewhere together. This could be an old friends. But what I feel here is that your person is from an manager. I'll tell you about the careers they could have. They could be very executive managers, assistant, and let me find out. And they have had the lives which had lot of difficulties earlier. They have seen challenges, a lot of challenges before with these 2 cards, but they have come out a winner all the time. So beautiful card. Just excuse me, I'll have a sip of water. Thank you. And they know how to balance things. They know how to balance life. They know how to balance profession. So because they have gone through a lot of difficulties and they have come out as a winner, so they are very balanced. They are creative people. They are romantic inside. They are passionate inside, and they could be poets. They could be writers. They could be industrialists. They could be somebody new, setting up the business in this managerial level. It's a beginning, and they could be interior designers. They could be a sports person. Yes, they could be into army. They could be into navy. That is what I get. And okay, so let me also find out. They could be into raw, intelligence agencies. They could be advocate. They could be into publishing. They are actors. They are cinema artists. They are singers. They are dancers. So they are from the creative field. They are writers, poets. So there again, I see there's a vast, even with the Pentacle card, they are into maybe real estate developers. They are into developing, or they are salesperson into development, land development, resources, mining, all that they work for. And I feel looking wise, it's this 9 of Wands. They're very attractive. You can see their build is really good. They're tall, usually tall, and that is what I get here. With a very sexy build that you can say, which you will be really attracted to here, and they are really going to be passionate. Now let's see, how are they going? See, sensuality. So it's going to be a very lovey-dovey kind of a proposal that you might have physical intimacy. That is like, they might show you in a sensual way, like holding your hands, embracing you, warm embrace, maybe kissing you, and then you can, this is what I get in my mind with these cards here with the Knight of Wands, because this is a great very sexy energy here. And they'll just take out the ring that they have got for you. It's a beautiful ring, and they are going to put it in your fingers, and they are going to say a few lines, they're going to sing a song for you. So I feel it will be one of the most romantic moments that you will have. And of course there will be a lot of sensual play here, what I see here. Also, let me tell you the places. It is a garden. It is somewhere near the garden where you, or maybe you're sitting in a lawn, or walking by a road, and you find a lot of flowers and trees, and or maybe you are in a park or a water body with I feel there is a small water body nearby. Also, it shows it might be in some jungle. You have gone for trekking. You have gone for a this jungle visits, forest, hiking, trekking, any kind of this kind of energy also showing here. Also garden with lot of flowers, and maybe they're getting a bouquet of flowers too. For some of you here, you will be really dressed like a queen. You will look like a king or a queen, well dressed for the occasion. This is what I get here. And you look sensual. It's like queen, very sensual queen here. This is what I get. And they are just going to take the best possible way. They are going to be very, very passionate in their the way they will propose to you. So they will hold your hand, and maybe after that you will go into a different world altogether. So now let us just find out what will be your parents' reaction. Definitely they are, I'll tell you, they will get a ring of your choice, and they will grow later in life. Once they come into your life, they are going to grow as a person. They are going to grow with money, with their careers, and they have seen all difficulties, so they are going to be very good with you, very emotionally attached with you, and humble to you, and understand everything about your about you. They will be understanding person. Now let's find out your parents' reaction here. Oh, so your parents are going to feel happy. Yeah, they will be happy about your choice. They are going to really feel very great about your choice. What else, pile 3? So beautiful. Your parents' reaction is awesome. Like, yay, I got this person who, they are really happy about your choice. So this is it. We'll take up in another video. For the time being, pile 3. And do like and subscribe to my channel if you like my readings. And you can put a like button, comment, share. That is it, pile 3. Thank you for taking your time out.